So you got your new wig in the mail, girl. You start plucking the hairline. Next thing you know, you got a big ass hole in the front because you thought you knew what you was doing. So, what you gonna do? I'm gonna show you exactly what to do with that wig, honey. Keep on watching. Okay, you guys, thumbs up for that commentary in the beginning. I know that was funny, right? But serious, real life shit happens, you guys. So initially I wanted to just do, I don't even know what I was gonna do with this wig. I was gonna do a cute little half up, half down style, but ended up plucking way too much and created a hole. So instead of just trashing a wig or not doing this review, I thought it would be a good opportunity for me to show you guys different ways, or just a way that you can save your wig if something like this was to happen. It's very easy. I pluck wigs and frontals pretty much every day and shit happens. So luckily this was on my wig and not a client, so real talk. But yeah, I don't know what happened right here, you guys. I really just was plucking too much. I don't know what happened, but like I said, things happen. The look that I was gonna go for was gonna be like a half up, half down look, and I can't really do that with this wig. Styling is gonna be very limited because I created a hole in the front of the wig. I can see if it was in the back, but it was definitely in the front. So instead, I thought to myself, what can I do? I'm gonna do a bang. So I'm just carving out the fronts to create a bang. You can see I got a little hole right there as well. It happens, y'all, it happens. This wig is from rpghair.com and it is a yaki texture. 18 inches, 150%, and I really like this yaki texture because it reminds me of African American hair. I'll leave all of the wig details below in the description box for you guys. Now the way I'm cutting this is kind of ghetto too, but you know, we got to make it work. I'm actually working from home. All of my tools and stuff is at the shop. I always do this to myself, you guys. But I'm going in and cutting my bang in sections, and I'm going in with this eyebrow pencil, or this, girl, that ain't no eyebrow pencil. I'm going in with this eyebrow trimmer because I like my bangs to look natural. I don't want it to look blunt, but instead a very wispy, natural flowing bang. So with the razor, it'll help you create that look a lot better rather than using actual like cutting shears and scissors. Now I'm carving out some hairs on the side just to create my baby hairs. I'm going to be using some mousse. I'll link it below for you guys so that you can check it out. And I'm going to tie the hair down and let it dry for a little bit, and then I'll come back with the edges kind of already dried and molded down. And then I'm taking a brush and just combing them out because I don't want them to be like stiff. I just want them to be very natural and just to have some form on the side. You guys, I bleach the knots. I also pluck right in front of that bang so that part could look a little more open and more realistic. So I plucked there, and right now I'm just trying it on and seeing what it looks like. We're gonna cut the lace off.
I can't hear.
Well, you can go in your room, little boy. Trying to do voiceovers when you got kids. He wants me to be quiet, yet you're in my room. You can get out, okay? Just apply some of that Got To Be glue gel just to lay it down, nothing fancy. I'm going to be tying it down with my Classy Crowns edge wraps. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. I will be putting these on my site when the site launch. But if you want to see more of these scarves and see how I utilize them and whatnots, be sure to check me out on Instagram at Classy Crowns. Other than that, you guys, I'm just going to style this wig as good as I can do. I'll leave all of the wig information in the description box. I'm going to go ahead and just let you guys watch the video. It's pretty much self-explanatory. I just wanted to show you guys another way that you can wear your wigs if you just so happen to pluck a hole, tear the lace, anything, you know. These are just like foolproof ways that you can wear your frontal or wear your wig still. If you're not a huge bang person, you know, this may not be good for you, but I mean, consider it. I'm not a huge bang person, but I will leave all of the information in the description box for you guys. Be sure to check it out. And thank you guys so much for joining me. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.